Guys, this is 2050 Mazda BT50. So this car had a problem is drive belt is keep falling off. So I'm going to replace today drive belt tensioner and the drive belt. You can see in here this drive belt coming keep off falling jump out because the tensioner is inside something damage. So that's why this belt keep off. First we have to remove this air cleaner and take it out to the reach for the belt tensioner. So when you have the 8mm bolts in here, I take it out. Okay, you can see the tensioner. So you can see the clearly in bolt, one bolt in here. So other two bolt in here, one here, come in 3 bolts. Okay guys, this is the 13mm bolt. Okay, here's the last bolt, the third one. You can see we'll now move the tensioner. Okay, off the stud E7 socket. Guys, here's the belt tensioner. We take it out. I found the problem is the belt tensioner is the side way. In here you can see the mark in here. In here it's a slight mark. It's a bend tensioner. That's why it's making noise. Okay guys, here the old tensioner. There's a new tensioner. So when you're going to put it back the tensioner, you can see the 3 bolt, one in here and one in here and the one stud in here. Okay guys, we install the last bolt in here. Guys, we install the belt tensioner. Now we're going to on the belt. Okay, you can now see in the pin. You have to push out that pin. Guys, finally we done the belt tensioner. Now we have to put it back in the covers. So we finally done the job. We're going to start the car. You can see that this pulley is straight. Guys, finally we done the job. We installed the belt tensioner and the dry belt. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.